Good morning students. Now revise the last class. What we learned in the last class? Some number concept we had learned. The first one is ascending order. Second one descending order. Third one place value and face value. And fourth one expanded form. And sixth one successor. And final one is predecessor. So ascending order means when a number written from the smallest to largest number. And next one descending order means when a number written from largest value to smallest value or number. And then place value and face value, the number of the digit of a depends upon its position. Its position. And face value does not depends upon a position. And expanded form, sum of all the place value. Sum of all the place value of a digit. Value of a digit. And then successor, it is obtained by adding 1 to given number. Adding to given number. 1 to given number. And predecessor, subtracting, it is obtained by subtracting 1 from the given number. I hope you all understand the concept of ascending order, descending order, place value and face value, expanded form and successor, predecessor. So smallest value to largest number or smallest number to largest number, largest value to smallest number is called the descending order. And place value, it depends upon its position, and face value does not depends upon its position. And then expanded form, sum of all the place value of a digit. And then successor, adding 1, it is obtained by adding 1 to given number. And predecessor, it is obtained by subtracting 1 number from the given number. 1 from the given number. 1 from the given number. I hope understand the previous class. Now move it to the revision exercise. Revision exercise at the page number 3. First one. Put commas at the correct places in the following numbers and write them in words. So first put the commas. First problem. First subdivision A. The value is 80347 is given. So first write we put commas. So how do you write the commas? Ones, tens, hundreds. So 100 place ones, tens, hundreds. 100 place we put the comma after 1000 and 10,000. And next correct the place values and write them in words. So how do you write in words? In words, $80,000, 300, and 47. That's it. So remaining two problems are homework, and next one of them, second one, write the following number in their expanded form. Expanded form already you know that. So now do the first one of the problem. A, 9,06,720 is given. So expanded form is equal to 9 lakh. And then 10,000 is not there, so leave it. And next one 6,000, and next plus 700 plus 20. Okay, and next B, 7,81,945. So 7,80,000 plus 1,000 plus 900 plus 40 plus 5. This is the expanded form of 7,81,945. And third one, rewrite the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending order already you know well. Ascending order. So let us consider the first option A, 17,704. Sorry, 17,704. Next number 99,999. Next one 1 lakh, and then 30,506. So ascending order means when a number written from smallest number to largest number. Which is smallest in here? So smallest number is this one first. Next is smallest one 30,000, and next one the final one 1 lakh. 1 lakh. So write in the ascending order. So first write the smallest number 17,704. The next is smallest number 30,506. And next one 99,999, and final 1 lakh. So next one of the problem at homework. And fifth one. The fourth problem also homework because it's the same one, descending order. So A and B are homework in fourth problem. Fifth one, write the place value and face value of underlining the digit in the following numbers. Fifth one. Let us consider the first option A. 3,57,920 is given. The underlining number is 7. So what is the place value of the given number? Place value of 7 is 7,000. 1,000 place, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000. So 7,000. And next, face value. Face value is 7. Face value is 7. So remaining problem is homework. And next one, write the standard numerical form for the following numbers. Sixth one. So standard form. How do you write the standard form? Here expanded form is given. First one is 3,20,000 plus 6,000 plus 500 plus 90 plus 7. So standard form is 3,20,000 26,597. It's the answer for this standard form of the given expanded form. B is a homework. And seventh one of the problem. In each case, use all the digits only once to form the smallest 6 digits number. To form a smallest 6 digit number. Smallest 6 digit number. So how can you write the smallest 6 digit number? How can you write the smallest 6 digit number? First write in the ascending order. Ascending order means a number can written from smallest to biggest number. So see the given numbers. So first given the numbers is 417,352. Here smallest 6 digit number only asked. So you want to write in the ascending order. What is the smallest number in the given data? The first one. So 1, and next one 2, 3, next one 4, 5 and 7. So the smallest 6 digit number is 1,23,457. Okay, and do the next one also. Okay, B, the numbers 5, 1, 6, 3, 8, 9 is given. So what is the smallest number here? 1. Next is smallest number 3. The next one is 5, 6, 8, 9. So it's a smallest 6 digit number. Okay, and next one 8. Smallest. Here also find the smallest 6 digit number using the numbers are 1, 6, 3, 5, 0, 7. Here the given numbers very smallest number is 0, but you cannot write in the front of the number. This is not valid. So, next one of the smallest number is 1. Let me consider the first number as 1. Now, consider the smallest number as 0 and then 3, 5, 6, 7. So, the smallest 6-digit number is 1,03,567. And ninth problem, find the difference between the smallest 5-digit number and the greatest 6-digit number. Already you know that smallest 5-digit number is smallest 5-digit number is, what is the smallest 5-digit number? 10,000. And next, the greatest 6-digit number. The greatest 6-digit number is 9 lakh. The greatest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. 6 digits are there. Okay. So, the greatest or largest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. What he asked? Find the difference. Difference means subtraction. Find the difference between the smallest 5-digit number and greatest 6-digit number. So, I want to find out here the subtraction. Subtracting the value of difference of 6 digits number and 5 digits number is equal to 9,99,999 subtracted 10,000. Subtract what we get? 8. So, difference of a number, difference of the 6-digit number and 5-digit number is 9,89,999. Okay. And next problem, 10th one. Find the sum of place values of the digit 3 and the 7 in the number. Find the sum of place value of the digit place value of the digit three and 7 in the number ninety lakh 30,678. So, find the sum of place value of 3. What is the place value of 3? Place value of 3 is 30,000. And next, place value of 7 is 70. Here find out the sum of the place value of 3 and 7. So, in this place we add these two place values 0 7 0 0 3. So sum of the place values 3 and 7 is 30,070. Place value of 3 and 7 is sum of the place values. Thus, the sum of place value of the digit three and 7 is 30,070. Now we learn about the new concept, largest number. Already we know that the 6-digit largest number, 6-digit largest number. What is that? There is a 6-digit largest number, 9,99,999. And next, what is the successor of? Successor 6-digit number, 9,99,999. What we do? Added 1 to the given number. So add 1. What we get? The smallest 7-digit number we got it, is it? What is the smallest? 10 lakh. 10 lakh. That is a smallest 7-digit number. Smallest 7-digit number. Seven-digit number. And now see the how do you write the place value chart for the 74,12,506. So this is a place value chart, ones, thousands, lakhs. Okay, so it divides in 3 parts: ones, tens, hundreds. Here 1,000, 10,000, 1,000, 10,000. Here lakhs. Lakhs, 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs. So here ones value is, the digit is 6, tens value is 0, and then 100 is 5, 1,000 value is 2, 10,000 value is 1, and lakh value is 4. So 10 lakh value is 7. 10 lakh value is 7. That is a place value chart for the 74,12,506. And next one, 8-digit number. So what is the largest seven-digit number? Is 99 lakh 99,999. Is it? 99 lakh 99,999. It's a 7-digit largest number. So what is the successor of this number? I want to add in this number. So add with this number we get 1 crore. 1 crore. One crore is the smallest 8-digit number. Is the smallest smallest 8-digit number. So 1 crore is the smallest 8-digit number. The place value of the place value chart for the value of 7 crore 34,000. So 34 lakh. For example, place value chart for the example 7 lakh. See. Place value chart for the number 7 crore 34 lakh 10,568. So place value chart, periods, crores, lakhs, thousands, ones. So ones divides in 3 columns, ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands divides 2 columns, 1000, 10,000, lakhs divides 2 column, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore. See. So first 1 digit value, ones place is 8, tens value is 6, hundreds value is 5, so 1000 value is 0, 10,000 value is 1, and lakh value is 4, 10 lakh value is 3, and crore value is 7. I hope you all understand the concept of 7-digit number. Smallest 7-digit number is 10 lakh. 10 lakh. The smallest 8-digit number is 1 crore. Okay. I hope you all understand the concept of place value of chart and place value of chart for lakh and place value chart for crores. I hope you all understand the concept. Now we are see the another one of the concepts, Indian system of numerals and international. Now I am going to see the Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. So Indian system of numeration have the ones, tens, ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. Ones contains ones, tens, hundreds, thousands contains 1000, 10,000, lakhs, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores contains crores and 10 crores. So it is a Indian place value chart. The place value of ones 1, tens 10, hundreds 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs 10 lakhs, crores 10 crores. So lakhs having how many digits of zeros? 5 zeros. 10 lakhs 6 zeros. Crores having how many of the zeros? 7 zeros. And 10 crores having the 8 zeros. How many zeros had it? So crores having the 7 zeros and 10 crores having the 8 zeros. And next concept, international system of numeration. It has so ones, thousands, millions and billions. So once as usual the Indian system the same one here, ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000. Indian system we have considered the 10,000 after lakhs. Here considered to the 100,000s. 100,000. You have easy to identify 1,000, 10,000s, 100,000s, and next millions. Next here Indian place value structure is crores. Here consider the millions. So first one million, 1 million. So here 10 lakh has the zeros, 6 zeros. Here 1 million has a 6 zeros, and then 10 million. 10 million means 6 zeros plus added 1. 10 millions. Already you know the million value was 6 zeros. So 1 million, 10 million. Just a 10 added the 6 zeros. 10 millions. And next one 100 millions. 100 millions. And next start the billions. So when billions have 9 zeros. 1 billions has 9 zeros. So next added 10 billions. 10 billions. 10 after right you put the 9 zeros, we get the 10 billions. And next one 100 billions. So 100 added the 9 zeros, we get the 100 billions. That is the difference between the Indian place value chart and international. How do you write the smallest number and greatest number in a given number? So first smallest number. Smallest number, how do you frame? If we have considered the example, if you want to find out the smallest number, first of all write the given number in a ascending order. Given number in a ascending order. First number is 0. So 0 is not valid in front of any number. So you need not consider the 0. And next one of the smallest number is 1. So first you want to write in the 1. After which one is the smallest number? In consider the others. 0. In this place put this 0. And next one 2, 5, 7. I hope you understand the concept of how do you write the smallest number using any numbers, and then find the largest number framed from any number. Largest how do you frame? The same example we have considered. So greatest number, here you want to find out the greatest, largest number using this given numbers. So which is a greatest number in a given number? In this place here write the descending order. The given number can be written in the descending order. So descending order, the greatest value is 7. Second one, the greatest value is 5. And next one 2. And compare these two values, which is the smallest. Greatest value is 1. In place 1 after 0, the value is 10. Is it? We need in this place the greatest value. So directly write the greatest value. In case smallest value is find out, the 0 in front of 1. You want to put the 0 in front of 1. That is the smallest number. Here find out the largest number. That is a formation of number in a given numbers. Next one, comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers means is which one is greatest one or smallest one. For example, compare these two values. What we do? First verify the values of first one, left side of the first number, both having the same. So next move it to the second of the left. So that's also the same for the both numbers. And third one, here 3, here 4. So that is the greatest one. So which is greatest from this one? This is a greater number from this number. Compare like this all the numbers one by one in front from the left side of the numbers. That is a comparison of numbers. I hope you all understand the concepts. Thank you, students.